enjoying our first experience with the giant kitty castle of fun. Note Mickey's proximity to the ceiling. I think he approves. Especially considering that I put treats on many of the levels, as well as toys. Mickey, are you having fun? I think Mickey's going to try to play with everything on here now. And we're done.